Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our new topic of asexual reproduction, that is spore formation. This is seen in this is seen in both plants and fungi, but we will first continue with plants. Now, it is seen in plants such as ferns. It is seen in plants. Example is ferns. Let me make fern over here. Let me make fern over here. Okay. Now the undersurface of the leaves have tiny structures called sori that contain spores. The undersurface, not this upper surface. The undersurface, the means surface below the leaves. So the undersurface contains a pocket-like structure called sori. Sorry, not sorry, it's sori. Okay, it contains spores. It is a pocket-like structure. You know that pocket stores important stuffs over here. So obviously here Sori is a pocket-like structure. It will store some important things, like it will store spores in it. 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 Okay, we understood that. Now, question arises in your mind that what are spores actually? What are spores? So spores are small, microscopic and single-celled reproductive bodies. They are very small. This is very big, but they are very small. Means minute, microscopic, and single-celled means unicellular. Unicellular means single-celled means they have one cell only. They have single cell or one cell. Is that clear? Okay, they are single cell reproductive bodies. So what are spores? They are small, microscopic and single celled means unicellular reproductive bodies as they reproduce organisms like ferns. Okay, what happens now? Light and easily carried by wind, obviously. Since there is dispersal, so in dispersal of wind, what happens? The spores are very small and very light, so that wind can easily take them. If the spores will be heavy and very big, so what happens over there? The it will be heavy, so the wind cannot lift it. But since they are light, so they are easily carried by wind. Now, when the spores receive favorable conditions for growth, they give rise to new plants. Suppose this is a desert, means suppose it's a beaches, it can go to tropical areas, water areas as well. So what happens? Suppose this is just there are many spores over here. So what happens over here? Let me see. Okay. When there is a harsh climatic condition, what happens? They don't grow only. They leave them. They live like that only. They don't grow until and unless they receive the favorable condition. They grow. जब तक उन लोगों को कभी फेवरेबल कंडीशन मिले कि जो उन लोगों को चाहिए कंडीशन वो नहीं मिल जाता, तब तक वो लोग सीढ़ी रहेंगे. लेकिन जब उन लोगों को जैसे मिल जाता है फेवरेबल कंडीशन, यानी कि जो टेम्परेचर जो ह्यूमिड चाहिए वो मिल जाता है, परफेक्ट हो जाता है, देन दे विल ग्रो. Like when there is a perfect climatic condition, then what happens? It starts growing. It starts growing. Is that clear? Okay. Now, I at the beginning only I said that it begins with the fungi kingdom. Okay, can you see this ball-like structure over here? This ball-like structure. This is also a pocket-like structure. Why it is a pocket-like structure? Because it stores spores in it. It stores spores in it. It stores spores in it. So this pocket-like structure, this ball-like structure in fungi is known as sporangia. Is known as sporangia. Now spore formation takes place in which kind of fungi? You know that fungi are many types, but classic one that we know, but the classic one that we know but the classic ones that we know are the fungi kingdom. The classic ones that we know are yeast. But it reproduces by budding method. But rhizopus is also there, or you can say it as bread mold as well. It can be also known as bread mold. So this reproduces by spore formation method. Okay, everyone. So this ball-like structure contains spores, since it is a pocket-like structure, right? Ball-like structure means it stores spores. Therefore, it will be a pocket-like structure. And what I'm trying to say is, since it is a pocket-like structure, can you see this? So it is a pocket-like structure. Why pocket-like structure? Because it stores spores in it. Yes, no, and we know that spores are very important as they are reproductive bodies for plants or for bacteria, for fungi, for fungi. Yes. Now can you see this? You see this lamba lamba dandiya, like means ribbon like structure. So these are known as hyphae. 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 Why hyphae? Sorry, why not hyphae? Means what is the function of hyphae? It helps in locomotion. It helps in locomotion. Now you might be asking, what is locomotion actually? Locomotion means movement. Simple meaning, locomotion. Locomotion means movement. Locomotion means movement. Locomotion means movement. So it helps in the locomotion of fungi. That is locomotion that helps in the movement helps in the movement of what? Fungi. Yes. Now the collection of it. Now collection of it. If one is there, then it is hyphae. Sorry. When one is there, it is a hyphae. But when there is a collection of it, then what happens? It is known as mycelium. Mycelium. When hyphae is important as it helps in locomotion or movement, so mycelium will also help in the movement because it has formed by the group of hyphae, we know. So that is it for today. We are in the next video. We will be starting vegetative propagation. The brief introduction I am giving about it, that it is seen in plants. In some parts of it, that is roots, stems, and leaves. Now, the reproduction by vegetative part is known as vegetative propagation. The reproduction by vegetative parts, like potato. Ginger is a stem. Ginger is a stem. So it reproduces by stem. It is one of the vegetative part of plants, right? So the reproduction by vegetative parts is known as vegetative propagation. Can occur by natural methods or artificial methods. So we will discuss it from tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everyone.